Hi everyone. Welcome to the DRA sync. This meeting follows CNCF Code of Conduct, so please be mindful. Added the agenda doc here in the chat. So hopefully this will be a short meeting due to the code freeze coming up with KubeVirt 1.8. So I just wanted to give some quick updates. The downward API cap in Kubernetes was accepted for 136 release cycle in alpha state. So that happened last week and I've started working on the implementation. What this gives us is we at least have an understanding of what the API will look like from the driver perspective so that we can start consuming that in KubeVirt. So once I have some more reviews on this PR, my plan is to update the 1.8 DRA KubeVirt implementation with the API that is presented here. I expect that to happen this week. So anyone looking to review that, um, just a heads up. But yeah, that's like a small, quick update from my side. Um, I've copied over topics from Nestor from the last call, but I believe he's not present in the call, so we can keep those for the next one.
Uh, yeah, he is on vacation, but I did want to ask if someone could take a look at the S390X PR he had. I'm not sure if
Yes.
it's the same point, but it's basically just a small PR making the type of the VFIO bus dependent on the architecture. Since on S390X, currently what we want for the DRA at first is AP support instead of PCI. In the future, we will then probably have to figure out how to make this maybe configurable or auto-detected. But at the moment, PCI devices, we are more looking into pass-through. And then for DRA, we would like to support our Crypto Express adapter, which needs AP instead of PCI.
Yeah, I took a look at this PR. The business logic of this PR is in this highlighted crux. The only reason why I have not commented is I'm hoping that once the 1.8 DRA PR gets some um, gets unblocked from the Kubernetes work that is going on, all of this code will change, and my plan is to absorb that in that change. So that is why I have this PR open and pending. Hopefully we'll be able to pick this change on onto the new work for 1.8, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's the first PR, right?
Yeah. Is I wanted to ask, do you is it okay for this change to land in 1.8, or are you guys hoping to backport this?
It's okay to land in 1.8.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's why I was asking because we wanted to get it in before the feature freeze.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Uh, uh, Let me add some thoughts here just to say that we should absorb this in the 1.8 changes coming up because all of this code is about to change.
All
A lot
right.
anyway.
Works for me.
Okay. Great. Yeah. Does anyone else have any questions or topics? Okay. Um, I know we are looking at 1.8 right now, but I am assuming the network DRA designs are coming up in separate enhancements. And yeah, I'm not sure if the plans for those are for 1.9, but at some point it would be good to have them discussed here again. Okay. Yeah, with that, I think we can return the rest of the hour to everyone. Uh, Thanks, folks, for attending. I'll see you in a couple weeks. Good luck with the code freeze.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.